Popping and dropping and rocking, we're making music, we're never stopping. Popping and dropping and rocking, I'm making music, never stopping. Popping and dropping and rocking, I'm making this money, I'm never stopping. 5, 10s, 20s, 50s, 100s, I'm working hard. I can say my pockets are thick, but my money's on my card. But beyond the bullshit that I say within my bars, you would never understand. Like Dancing with the Stars, I am so unique, like the weed in my jar. Don't pull my strings, I'm no guitar. But switching up the topic, you people thinking you got it. You little niggas are small to me, you're microscopic. I need a fucking telescope. We're blowing hella smoke. One day I'ma live my dream, and you already know nothing's gonna change but me buying things. I'm talking about big houses, 4 cars, 2 planes. The way I live now is richer than most of you lames. I ain't even trying to brag, nigga, straight up. I make it rain. Every verse I lay, best believe it's filled with pain. I'ma keep it 300, nigga, so stay up in your lane. SPITFIRE, yeah, bitches know my name. DMT coming up in the game.